Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly go over how you can either set up a primary console or change your primary console that is associated with your Nintendo account. If you don't already have a Nintendo account, I'll post a link down in the description where you can sign up through Nintendo's website, but it's actually pretty simple. So as soon as you have a Nintendo account, it's the first console where you go to the Nintendo eShop and log in to that Nintendo account. That will be set as your primary console. So it's pretty simple. We're just going to open up the Nintendo eShop. You're going to add your account, sign in to your Nintendo account, and again, it's the first console that you sign in with that will be set as your primary console. Now, if you would like to change your primary console, this is also going to be pretty simple. So on the Switch that you would like to deregister as the primary console, again, we're going to open up the Nintendo eShop. I'm going to select the account that I would like to deregister from this console as the primary console. And once we're in the Nintendo eShop, in the upper right-hand corner, you can see your little profile account image up here. We're going to select that. In your account information, go down, select settings, and then scroll down until you see the area where it says deregister. We're going to click that. Then sign into this Nintendo account to complete this process. And then once you successfully log in, it says this system has been deregistered. The next system that you use to access the Nintendo eShop will be set as the primary console on your account. So we can click OK. And we can now see in our settings that this account has been deregistered. So I'm going to head back to the home screen. And now that that Nintendo account has been deregistered, it's really simple. The console that I would like to make the primary console, I just have to launch the Nintendo eShop, log in with that particular Nintendo account, and then whichever console that I'm using at that time will now be registered as the primary console. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful going over how you can set the primary console for a Nintendo account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.